Hello viewers, today I would like to show how to sync music between your Mac and iPhone or iPad on macOS Catalina and Big Sur. Open music application from your Mac. All music in the music application can be transferred to your iPhone. If you wish, you can add song by dragging song to your music application. Now open Finder, connect your iPhone or iPad using USB or USB-C lightning cable. Select the iPhone. Select music in the button bar. Select sync music onto your iPhone. If you want to sync entire library, then check entire music library. Check it if you want to sync videos also. To select a specific artist, album or playlist, then check this and click which you want to sync. Then click apply. Before do this, make a note that an iPhone can sync only one computer at a time. If you have music or if your iPhone sync with another computer, then all music will be removed from your iPhone. Now click sync and replace. In this moment, Finder will back up your iPhone to Mac. To skip it, click skip backup. After syncing, if you see this type of message, it means in your iPhone music app not installed. So it need to download from App Store. Open music app, tap on library, then song, and then play your sync music. If you want to sync specific music, then open music from your Mac. Click on song. Select your song which you want to sync. Then drag and drop it to your device from music sidebar. Wait for some moment to transfer it. Now it is successfully transferred to your iPhone. If you want to delete specific songs on your iPhone, then play the songs from music app. Tap on three dot from right side top, then delete from library. That's all. Hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.